This here is one of those zero smoke, well, I can't say zero smoke, less smoke fire pits that I whipped up. And it seems to be working pretty good. It's like 26 inches inside diameter. It has a double wall. It's all 10 gauge stainless steel. And what's different on this one versus all the other ones out there that look like nothing more than a washer drum fire pit or a garbage can with a bunch of holes in it. This does have holes to let the air in the side and the bottom, but I also have air tubes that in 3 spots go all the way from the outside into the middle, so you can see it sucking in air and it's getting the bottom plenty of air for combustion. This thing weighs about 80 pounds. It also lifts off the plate, so you can clean it really easy on the bottom. So this is kind of, you can use it as a freestanding one, or you can put it on the ground and landscape around it if you'd like. Again, I like it because it don't look like an upside down garbage can or a washing machine barrel. And those things we actually work really good because they got all the little perforations for holes in them, but I don't want one of them things. Most all them other ones that are out there are 16 gauge material, and they're made by across the pond someplace. So this is made in my shop right here. I do some different sizes. This one's 14 inches deep. I can do them 16, 18, or 20 deep, and do them all the way up to 38 inches wide in diameter. You can also use a 5-inch flange on these things if you want a wider flange. But it works good. There's no smoke coming out of it at all right now. You gotta get it good and hot first. My address, email address, and website address should be on the bottom of this video someplace. Thank you.